Welcome back to our 28-day challenge, Tai Chi and Qigong for seniors and beginners. Today, we're going to cover mindful movement. Our arms rise along the sides of our body, palms to the sky, in circle overhead. And then the palms come down the front of our body. Inhale up, exhale down. You can make great, big, giant circles, or you can make smaller circles. Whatever feels right to you. This is called gathering chi, or gathering chi from heaven. Sometimes the big Tai Chi circle. It is multi-purpose. We can add different intentions. It is often used for the closing of a Tai Chi form. The last thing we do, inhale up, exhale down. Sometimes this is referred to as gather chi or gather energy, roll it to Dantian, store it in our bioenergy battery, the lower Dantian. Inhale up, exhale down. Just a slight intention. Similar to settling, we allow everything to settle down, gathering, settling, storing. It can be used as a Qigong exercise to increase energy, inhaling up, exhaling down, moving the body, breathing, mindful movement, meditation and motion. We can also use it at the beginning to relax from head to toe, relaxing where our hands are on the front part of the body, clearing out stress. The intention to clear out stress on the back part of the body and internally. Very multi-purpose, you'll see it everywhere in Tai Chi and Qigong. It's often used between movements in Qigong. To leave one practice, transition to another practice, rest, gather more energy for the next exercise. Maybe 3. Sort of like cleansing the palate between servings of a large meal. Let's put it in our practice. Starting with our feet fairly close together. Float the head, soften the knees, open into the Wuji position. Adjust your body. Adjust your mind. Adjust your breathing. Let's use that movement. Gathering chi. Inhale up. Exhale down and relax the front part of your body where your hands are. Softening, releasing tension, and wiping it away, washing it away. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down. Attention at the top of the head. Releasing tension down the back of the body. Releasing tension, let the back of the body settle into your structure. Inhale up. Exhale down, soften and release tension. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Attention at the top of the head and go straight down internally, searching for, releasing any tension inside the body. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down. And smile from the heart. We're going to use the same movement, different intention, just to enjoy this movement. Inhale up, exhale down, just breathing and moving. Linking our breath to our motion. Breathing in, breathing out. Clearing out anything we don't need. Gathering new, clearing out the old. Spring cleaning of the mind and the body. New intention. We're closing, so we're coming back. Gather. Let it settle. And store. Gather Qi, roll to Dantian. Thank you for practicing. We'll cover more tomorrow.